everybody, you're watching the Techy man, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can do the basic video editing in Camtasia Studio 8. If you are a video editor and want to upgrade your skills from beginner level to intermediate level, Camtasia is the best option available in the market for you to use. As many of you must be knowing that Camtasia is a screen recording tool, but beside a screen recording tool, it's also a video editor which it gets ignored for. So it's also a very powerful video editor which an intermediate level video editor must have, because it contains a lot of features, tools and facilities which an intermediate level video editor must have. So I'm making this video in two parts. In the first part we'll talk about the basic things first, and in the second part we'll talk about a little advanced or higher level things. So first of all, we'll start the Camtasia Studio on our computer. So for starting, go to Start, click on this Camtasia Studio button, and now it will load the Camtasia Studio. So guys, as you can see, Camtasia is now loaded and we'll talk about it. So first of all, we'll do the introduction. So the topmost thing, this is the title bar, and this is the Windows basic thing which every program has its own, and below that contains a menu bar which contains File, Edit, View, Play, Tools, Help buttons which contains features inside it, and below that there is a function bar which contains Record the Screen button which will load up the Camtasia Studio recorder, which will record your screen, desktop or computer screen, or in selected region. And below that is the Import Media button, from where you will add your media or videos, audio, images or anything into this Camtasia Studio. And the last one is the Produce and Share, which will render all the customizations, editings and trimmings of your video into a single video file according to your chosen format and resolution. So that's it, and this white place is a clip bin. Here it is selected, where all your media will get stored before loading on the timeline. So it will contain all your images, files and etc, which you will load from your folders which are stored on your computer. So there are some more buttons which we'll talk about it later. So first of all, we'll talk about this one. This is the preview window, where all customizations, editings will be viewed. You can view them by clicking simply on this play button. So that's how, and it will also show you how it will look after rendering or finishing a video or saving it in a single video file. So it will tell you how it will look at that. So below and the upper part contains some buttons which are crop button, toggle pan mode, which I will tell you how it is used, and this mode which contains the switch to full screen, which will only view or show you the preview window, and the other thing contains detach or attach video preview window. It works like this, by detaching the preview window, and if you want to use it like this, just place it here. So that's how. So guys, we'll start ahead with the editing of a video. So I will go to Import Media, scroll down and select the video file to start editing. So as I told you earlier, the video file is now loaded in the clip bin, as you can see. Now what we will do is to go to clip and drag it to the timeline like this. Now it will get loaded. So first of all, we'll talk about trimming. So why we need to trim our videos? We need to trim our videos to remove such movements which we don't want to show it to our audience. Sorry, just like the camera is moving or the recording is started, but you are not ready to say or do whatever you wanted to do. So that's why we trim videos, and for many other purposes according to your case and need. So in trimming video in Camtasia, go to of this playhead and place it over the duration from where you want to start trimming. In my case example, I just want to remove the intro of my video. This was the big video I posted on my channel some months ago. So I will trim my intro. I just want the original video. So what we will do is to click on this red button and drag it to the duration where I want to trim my video. So I will just trim it like this and press delete on my keyboard. And as you can see, the intro is now removed. You can now be able to see the intro. The space is empty or blank. So we'll just place the video like here, and the main video file is just left. So that's how we trim videos in Camtasia. So guys, in this part of the video I will tell you how you can add another videos or photos over a video or under a video. But before doing this, we have to understand a simple concept of timeline. So what is a timeline? Timeline plays a very important role in the video editing. Without timeline, a video editor will not be able to do whatever it does, because timeline is the heart of the video editor. So we have to understand what is the timeline and how it works. So basically a timeline is a long track or short track. It can be extended or decreased according to a user's need or according to the length of a video or photo or audio. So it is extended or decreased according to a user's need, where a video or photo or audio is placed where the main editing is done. So as you can see, this whole area is the timeline, and this is the duration marker which is placed over it. But this is not usually present in all video editors, because every video editor has its own interface and own ways of editing. But the similar thing in all video editors is the timeline. So timeline works in this way, that the thing which is at the most bottom or in the bottom of what you can say in the series will appear at behind, and the thing above that will appear ahead it, or like it will show you like it is ahead it, or it is present above it. So the thing which is above present on the timeline will appear ahead on the main video. So I will tell you how it works. So we'll again go to import media, and I will just import this picture. So this picture is placed here. Now I will place it here. So as you can see, it is located over my video, but it will I will place it here to give you more clear view, and I will place the playhead over it. So as you can see, the main video of mine, which is present at the bottom, is appearing that it's behind this photo. But if I'll do the same thing but in a different way, that is, I will place the photo at the bottom and video over it, so now we will not be able to see the photo. But if we'll resize the video, the main photo will appear. But if I will change the size of this photo like this, you can do this with videos or anything, videos or photo, anything. So I will just, if I'll change the size, it will appear that the photo is behind my original video. So I think you must have understood how it works. This is similar to a thing that the thing which is behind will be behind, and the thing which is above will be ahead or above it. So that's how it works. And if you want to add the photo to the video, we'll just place it here and resize it again. Just I want to add it and place my video over it, and so I will just place it in the corner like this and resize it to a smaller size to adjust it. And that's how it works. We can do this similar concept to all other photos or videos. For adding into videos. So that's how it works. So guys, in this part of the video, I will tell you how to add music or sound to the video of yours or anyone. So first we'll go to import media. I'll select a file and click on open button. So the file has been appeared. So what we'll do is to drag it to the timeline like this, and it will work as it. But you remember the concept of timeline which I just told you is not applied to the sound, because sound is something which we can't put behind or ahead of a visual or photo or video. So it's something that if you will put it under it, will work the same as it will work above it. So it's no matter of issue, it will work like this. And if we want to use the sound or music, you can put it above also. It will give the same result, no difference. I'll play it till here, then you will see that it is giving the same result. There's no difference between them. So the concept of timeline is not applied to this sound. It's applied to only visuals, photos, videos. But remember one thing, if you play multiple audios, it will get mixed. For example, you want to put background music or your own voice or other sound, it will get mixed with the other sounds present here in this video or present on the tracks on the timeline. So remember that. So guys, in this part of the video, I will tell you how to rotate your video. Actually, you can do this very easily. Well, I will not tell the purpose for which you will rotate the video. You can place the playhead over any part of the video because it's not a separate but a single video file which will be applied to the whole video. So I will place the playhead over it. It's upon your choice whether you want to place the playhead, but it will give the same result. But remember, if this clip is splitted into different clips like this will not give the same result because these are separate clips and the effects applied on them will have separate effects on them. Just like I will rotate this part of the video of my intro and I will go ahead, it will not give the same result as I have separated them from the rest of the clip. But if it is one clip like before, as I did it with that, so if it will give the same result. If I will rotate it and go to a duration which is far away from that one, it will give the same result, as you can see. So what we have to just do is click on the video and place the cursor in the center. This green dot will appear and you have to rotate it like this using your mouse or touchpad or anything. So that's how it works. So guys, in this part of the video, I will tell you how to use undo and redo commands. Why we use undo commands? We use undo commands after realizing that we made some change which we didn't have to, and to recover the original form of the thing we have to use the undo command. And redo command is used in the opposite situation. Just like you made a change, you thought that you didn't need that change and you used undo command to get the original form but thought that the change was better, so you used redo to get that change back instead of doing the change again. For just example, I will trim or cut this part of the video and I want to get that part again, so I will click on undo button up here to get that change, but I thought that the trimming was good, so I will click on this redo instead of trimming that part again. So that's how it works. Or else you can press Ctrl Z or Ctrl Y on the keyboard. So that's it for this video guys, and if you want to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel because we're coming up with the second part of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, like this video also and give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.